Korean romantic duet sung by a young man and a young woman, soft, gentle, and beautiful voices.
The song should feel like a hit cake, trying to have strong emotional chemistry. The story is about two people who unexpectedly fall in love.
Walk together under the stars and promise to stay by each other's side forever. The verses should be intimate, tender, with the male and female voices alternating naturally. And chorus should mean in memory, relational and easy to sing along to, making listeners wanna replay the song. Include soft piano, acoustic guitar,
Flashing subtle synths and the cinematic build-up. Dreamy warm, eerie warm, that wish I'm mine. Dreamy warm, eerie warm, that wish I'm mine.
사랑 별빛
Starlight,
너와 나
you and me,
forever together
설레는
향하는
night sky,
운명.
destiny.
The verses should be intimate and tender, with the male and female voices alternating naturally. The chorus should be memorable, measured and easy to sing along to, make you list as one to replay the song. Include some piano, acoustic guitar, punching soft synths, and the cinematic build-up.
Dreamy warm, eerie warm, that wish you know. Dreamy warm, eerie warm, that wish you know. And once in lifetime love under the stars, warm, unforgettable, and emotionally uplifting.